Government is preparing a fresh financial commitment to the Tema Shipyard as it seeks to transform the facility into a competitive maritime maintenance hub in the West African sub-region. Transport Minister Joseph Boukari Nekpe says the investment will focus on acquiring new machinery and equipment while rehabilitating critical infrastructure at the facility. He says the move forms part of President John Maham's agenda to make Ghana's port and maritime sector more competitive.
Government is set up to come to the aid of all the agencies that are in distress, bring them back to function, and that is what we are seeing today. It wasn't like this because of that capital injection into it, but you know it will not be one day. It's a continuous process till we get to a point that we are satisfied that the shipyard is now competing with the rest of other shipyards in the world and now performing its mandated function of a repair, overhaul, and any other maintenance works that will be required by the shipping lines or the ships that will call on our port or our yard. So definitely government is going to put a lot of money to restore those kind of machines that is needed here for the functioning of the shipyard.
The minister made the announcement during an inspection of the Tema Shipyard, where operations are currently attracting vessels for maintenance. 2 vessels are already inside the facility, with another waiting to be admitted. Nekpe says Ghana has the technical capacity to provide vessel maintenance services to shipping lines operating across West Africa.
All the machines were flooded and they could not operate. The engineers took to serious work, got everything out of this place, worked on it, and I'm happy today to now come to see that it is fully functional, and they've started admitting ships into the yard for maintenance. So it's of good news to see that our machines are back to life and the dry dock is now wet for the ships to enter inside and admitted for maintenance work. So initially, I am of high praise to our engineers, and I believe that this is what Ghana should look like. We shouldn't be looking for engineers anywhere. In those days, we would have been going outside looking for engineers to come in and to take time, but they are already here and they are working.
The Chief Executive Officer says Dock 1 in particular requires the replacement of its pumps and gate to ensure sustained operations.
We are going forward for what we have identified now based on the team. It is not like there are no existing trains, but the trains could not contain the volume of the water. So the water, of course, water there will have to find its way. So that might definitely, I cannot say that going forward the place will never be flooded, but the most important thing for what has been done, we've taken pragmatic action to ensure that that doesn't occur.
Management says the pump house, considered the heart of the shipyard, has now been fully rehabilitated with government support.
Our staff and the technical team were just engaged in setting the keel blocks to be able to admit those 2 vessels into the dry dock. We're scheduled to come in. So technically we lost about 8 to 9 days. Now, as we speak, we have full capacity of the pump house now.
According to the minister, government investment in the Tema Shipyard will be sustained until the facility reaches international standards and regains its position as a major vessel maintenance center.